There's a central change that Revain basically desires to achieve, which is very critical. It is the world's most memorable fair-minded input stage. What separates itself from every other person in the crypto market is that it explicitly is the main stage in view of blockchain innovation, basically making it decentralized, empowering it to be fair on all fronts. How about we really take a gander at what Revain is and what it desires to achieve as far as Revain cost expectation for the impending years. Today, an organization's standing depends mostly on client surveys, and this criticism helps other people basically pursue the ideal choices while managing any administration. Many organizations in a real sense oversee other organizations' notorieties, and the people who, all things considered, oversee surveys for other organizations' administrations can change client audits or erase them. The Flow research shows that between 20 to 60% of all internet-based surveys are phony. One sure survey carries 4 new clients to a business, while one negative survey discourages 11 clients in a truly significant manner. This brings the issue of survey predisposition, where organizations overseeing surveys for different organizations might be undermined by removing attaches with them, basically bringing about a deficiency of income for organizations. Revain has constructed a blockchain-based design where surveys can't for the most part be modified or erased, or so they thought. Clients are limited to 5 surveys each day in a significant manner. This guarantees that the chance of organizations attempting to really change their positive surveys or make negative audits for contenders doesn't occur, as it isn't really viable while managing mass enlistments of clients, which is genuinely critical. This channels each phony survey empowers organizations to get fair-minded surveys while maintaining their business, and recoveries them from overspending to make a fundamentally certain brand picture utilizing promoting strategies. Genuine purchasers who compose audits get benefits. Each survey on Revain goes through a 2-step check process. One purpose is man-made reasoning, and different purposes the for the most part manual technique. Negative audits can be available to question, which generally is available to people in general. The surveys are hashed and put away in the blockchain, ensuring credibility and coherence. Revain can be utilized in pretty much every business case, whether online business, FMCG, booking, or gaming. Revain Central Examination. Revain Cryptographic Money intends to organize and compensate client criticism on items and administrations utilizing blockchain as its center innovation. The actual business holds a lot of potential, yet it really is challenging to foresee the symbolic's future at the ongoing business sector costs of the FireUp token. Revain offers 2 certainly local cryptographic forms of money that truly are intended to propel its clients to truly compose veritable input, which is genuinely critical. The RVN is a dollar fixed sort of stable coin used to compensate and truly punish purchasers and organizations in the survey cycle, or so they for the most part thought. The FireUp explicitly is a utility token utilized by organizations to energize surveys and give a vehicle to clients to pull out RVN tokens to crypto trades, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Given that before very long, assuming development is seen in the use of the Revain stage as a survey accounting for organizations and administrations, the probability of Revain as a business will be perfect in a significant manner. However, the equivalent can't be generally said for the FireUp token. There is unreasonably much that it is as yet challenging to foresee where the for the most part token cost of Revain is going, which is very critical. It will truly be savvy to watch the digital currency market changes and conclude whether the FireUp symbolic will be great as an exchanging resource. The ongoing business sector cap of FireUp really is close $99,350,433 with a flowing stockpile of $85,061,485,690 FireUp in an unpretentious manner. The market cap changes with the cost change. The kind of current cost of the FireUp tokens in a real sense isn't simply noteworthy, with numerous examiners foreseeing that the computerized coins are unsatisfactory for by and large momentary hold. Most feeling markers in every practical sense recommend selling the FireUp coins at the ongoing cost in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, nobody can generally fault the examiners for thinking, so it truly is a genuinely decent choice for merchants to really participate in the ongoing economic situation. There isn't sufficient premium in the for the most part current economic situation to legitimize taking a long situation in an unpretentious manner. We foresee future qualities with specialized examination for a wide choice of computerized coins like Revain. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, FireUp can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice. As per the Revain cost conjecture, the greatest worth of Revain cost is supposed to reach $0 the current year's over. In view of the Revain cost expectation, unquestionably the greatest cost could reach $0 the really next 5 years in 2026, which fundamentally is very huge. In view of Revain cost expectations, Revain cost will be valued at 2 cents toward 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. The Revain cost today is $0, and as indicated by the cost estimates, the cost rise is supposed to be $0 the finish of 2022. Revain value expectation, 2022 to 2026. The fire-up cost figure depends on verifiable information joined with prescient information demonstrating calculations. Kindly note that this forecast ought to just fundamentally be deciphered as an idea. It is difficult to impeccably truly anticipate the costs of anything. Yet, here is our information. Likewise, these certainly are simply Revain cost expectations and could change as per different elements. The cost of Revain fire-up arrived at a really normal exchanging cost of 2 cents in every practical sense last year. The fire-up extremely greatest and least cost levels were 1 cent and 2 cents. Separately, Revain value expectation 2022. According to the Revain conjecture and our own exploration, the cost of Revain is anticipated to arrive at the very least value worth of $0. The Revain cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, and in every practical sense, normal cost all through the year will be around $0. Revain value expectation 2023 in a significant manner. The cost of Revain fire-up figures to arrive at a genuinely least cost of $0, with a truly most extreme cost of $0 the year 2023. The typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to be close $0. Revain value forecast 2024. According to the information expectation models and specialized investigation, the truly least value level of Revain fire-up will be $0, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The greatest cost will be $0, with a typical exchanging cost of around $0 through 2024, or so they thought. Revain value forecast 2025. As per the specialized examination and cost expectations for the year 2025, the base cost of Revain fire-up will be $0, and the greatest value level will be $0 in an unobtrusive manner. The typical cost will be $0 2025, or so they explicitly thought. Revain fire-up value expectation 2026. In light of the Revain estimate and specialized examination, it generally is anticipated that the base cost of Revain is supposed to really be $0, and the most extreme cost will be $0 keeping up with the especially normal cost of $0 2026. Is fire-up coin a wise venture? The ongoing circumstances essentially don't especially give an obvious sign of that. The actual business has an incredible fundamentally potential to generally be a productive speculation vehicle. However, measuring the eventual fate of the fire-up token is difficult. It is encouraged to the financial backers to keep refreshed with the advancements that really are happening in the group. The circumstances could happen later on that impact the manner in which it works and most certainly make it a wise speculation vehicle to purchase Revain or sell Revain with a very decent get back by and large. Will Revain cost most certainly go up? According to the cost forecasts, it is expected that the cost of Revain cryptographic money will in a real sense reach $0 a year's time and move to $0 the sort of next 5 years. Subsequently, the fate of Revain basically is splendid according to our Revain crypto cost expectation. Will Revain coin reach $1 exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking? In light of the new cost fall and our